How to get a motorcycle license in Texas. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a motorcycle license in Texas. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. You must be at least 15 years old to apply for a motorcycle license in Texas. If you're under 18, you need parental consent and must complete a motorcycle safety course. If you're under 18, you need to obtain a motorcycle learner's permit class M. To get this, visit your local Texas Department of Public Safety DPS office and pass the written knowledge test covering traffic laws and motorcycle operation. Taking the Texas Motorcycle Safety Course MSS is highly recommended. Successfully completing the course will waive the skills test requirement when applying for your motorcycle license. With your learner's permit, you can practice riding. Remember that as a permit holder, you must not ride after dark or carry passengers. If you didn't take the safety course, you'll need to schedule a skills test at the DPS. Be prepared to demonstrate your motorcycle handling abilities. During the skills test, you'll be evaluated on your ability to control the motorcycle, perform maneuvers, and follow traffic rules. Make sure you're familiar with the test route and requirements. Once you've passed the skills test or completed the safety course, you can apply for your motorcycle license at the DPS office. Bring your learner's permit, any completion certificates, and the required documents. Pay the applicable fee for your motorcycle license, and you'll receive a temporary license until your official one arrives in the mail. That's all for the video.